Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm really glad you stopped by. Today, I'll show you step by step how to create your very own GitHub account. First, open your web browser and search GitHub account. Click the first result, Gills, that's the official GitHub site.
I'll be using a temporary email just to demonstrate, but you should use your real email address when signing up.
Want to know more about temporary emails? Check out other videos on our channel. We've got you covered. GitHub now checks if you're a real user, not a robot. Just complete the CAPTCHA test. After that, you'll get a 6-digit code in your email. And just like that, Kiran, you've created your GitHub account. Log in with your email and password, and let's take a look around.
This is the GitHub interface you'll see after logging in. You can customize your profile, start new projects, or explore what others are building.
And there you go. Creating a GitHub account is that easy. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.